everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing this look here. Okay, so I totally got the idea from one of my favorite YouTubers, Makeup Shayla. She killed that storm, thunder, lightning. She killed that eye look, and as soon as I saw that video, it instantly gave me the idea of what I could use these eyeliners for that I've been carrying in my makeup stash since I don't know how long, but I've had these LimeCrime eyeliners in my collection for the longest time, but I've never put them to use, never swatched them, never nothing, because I was like, color eyeliner, I don't know what to do with these. Thank you, Shayla, for doing the eye look. It was bomb, and I decided to do my own bright eyeliner. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and get into the makeup tutorial. So my brows are already done, and I have a primer on already, so I'm going to go ahead and apply my foundation. Lately I've been loving the LA Girl Pro Coverage Foundation. This is the HD Definition Long Wear Illuminating Foundation. I just love the coverage that this foundation provides. It's just like a full coverage foundation for half the price. I definitely would recommend this foundation. I have mine in the shade Cocoa. Oh, is it Cocoa? Coffee. I don't know what I'm talking about. So for my concealer, I'm actually going to be using the Ruby Kisses concealer. For this particular shade, Warm Honey, I like over Fawn. So Fawn was my go-to shade to highlight with, but this one has more golden undertones with it, and it's more brown skin friendly. I'm going to use the same brush to go ahead and just blend out that concealer. And because it still has some foundation left on it, it's going to tone down that concealer as well, so it's not as bright. And for my contour, I am doing a cream contour today. This is going to be from PUR Cosmetics. This is their Cameo Stick. I'm just going to use an e.l.f. small stippling brush to blend out the contour. Just look how the skin just shines through. Do you see that? I'm telling you guys, this foundation, it just makes me feel completely different about luminous foundations. Like if you have oily skin, I used to be afraid of anything that had the word luminous in it because of my oily skin. As long as I prep and prime my face correctly prior to application of the foundation, I'm good. Like I can wear this just as a person with dry skin could wear it. If you have dry skin, this will be bomb for you, okay? I love the dewiness of it. I still want to go and set my under eye concealer with my Sacha Buttercup setting powder. This is the perfect setting powder for anyone with dark skin tones, with that golden undertone. It's just, some people can even set their entire face with it. I just like to go underneath because it is super mattifying. So I just like to go underneath my eyes all the way down to the sides of my nose in that smile line. Now I'm not going to go all the way over here because I don't want to get rid of all of the dewiness I have going on over there. So now I'm going to put a little bit on the forehead, just in the center. So now we're going to be busting out my oldies for goodies, okay? My Coastal Scents Favorites palette. We're going to go ahead and start with our crease color. So you can actually take either one of these. This one is actually called, that I hit pan in, Harvest Brown. And then the other one is called Barista. So you can actually use either one of those, or you can just use an eyeshadow that you have that's close to your skin complexion. And we're gonna go ahead and apply this in the crease, and this is just going to go ahead and prep the eye to blend with other eyeshadows. So anything we apply around this eyeshadow now is gonna blend with this really, really nicely. I want to take the next color, which is this orange color right there that you see also hit pan. That's called Oktoberfest. One of the best colors also to add to your collection. If you don't have it, you need to get Oktoberfest for your transition color, okay? So I'm just gonna take a little bit of that, and we're gonna also place that in the crease, but right below the first color we applied. This is going to add warmth. You guys know I love to warm up that crease. And I'm being very generous with this. So for the lid, I'm going to be using the Coastal Scents Hot Pot in what is it called? Niagara. Okay, Coastal Scents has another eyeshadow similar to it, which is called Lakeshore. So if you have Lakeshore, you can use that. But pretty much it is an iridescent eyeshadow. It reflects 2 or 3 different colors. So it's like a green, a blue, and you see some yellow or gold in there. I'm going to be applying Niagara, and I'm using a Wet n Wild flat eyeshadow brush. So I'm making sure I coat both sides of the brush. So I'm not putting anything in the outer part of the eye because we're going to go in with a different color eyeshadow for the outer part to smoke it out a little bit. I'm going to go in with the darker green. I want to use Pinehurst from Coastal Scents, which is this, what is this, pine green color. And I'm going to really pack this on the outer part of the eye. So I'm just going to really just like pack it there. So I really want that color to pretty much show up. So we're just going to keep building the color until it really shows. And now I'm trying to keep it as rounded, but for some reason every time I put eyeshadow in the outer part of my eyes, it always just comes out to be like this cat eye shaped look. So what palette has a black? There is a black. I don't know if I want to go in with the black. We're gonna do it. We're gonna do it. Coastal Scents also has a black eyeshadow. Now I'm just gonna be honest. This is not the best black eyeshadow. Doesn't swatch too dark, if you can see that. Doesn't swatch too dark. So if you were to apply it, this eyeshadow definitely wouldn't take over the look. So I'm just gonna use the same blending brush I used for the green. And I'm just gonna tap it in the black just like that and make sure I tap any excess off. And then I'm just going to just pat this over that green just to darken it up a little bit. So I'm not doing any blending or anything. I'm just tapping it right in the green. Now if you need to, you can go back with your crease brush and just go right back around the edges. But I do not want to blend too much into that black. I've had these eyeliners for the longest, okay? I didn't know what to do with them. Was afraid to use them, to be honest with you. But I've been seeing so many looks to where they've used bright eyeliners for like wings and stuff. I was like, what the heck? We're gonna try it. So this is the LimeCrime Uniliner. I want it to be kind of thick to where you could actually see the wing. And then, you know, I don't want the lashes to overpower the wing. So I'm gonna stop talking now because I can't do this and talk. With the lower lash line, I'm just going to go underneath with the crease colors. I'm going to go right in with Oktoberfest, which was the orange that we used to warm up the eye. I'm going to place that underneath the lower lash line. Then I'm going to go in with the green. So we're going to go in with Pinehurst. Is that what it was called? Yes, Pinehurst. I'm going to apply the Measurable Difference mascara, and this is their mascara and primer. So I'm just using the mascara on the upper lashes And then after we powder and everything, I'm gonna go back and we're gonna apply the primer on the bottom lashes. I'm just gonna go ahead and powder my face. I'm using the L'Oreal Pro Matte Powder. I'm going to be aligning my lips with the lip pencil from Iman. This is in the shade Cocoa. I'm going to be applying a lipstick from the Stacy collection, which I am still testing out. Let me know what you guys think about the lipstick. The packaging is going to be in a cute little silver case like this one. I have a gloss that I'm going to put on top. This is called Tender. Okay, this is also from the Stacy collection, something that I'm also testing. If you guys like how this stuff looks on me because I'm testing it, make sure that you guys will approve, okay? If you like how these shades look on me, let me know. Give me your feedback. Juicy. So now I'm going to go back and apply my mascara to the bottom lashes. This lip's looking real juicy. If you are subscribed, make sure you subscribe to my channel. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. Stay flawless, boo.